Assalamu alaikum and welcome. Today we will discuss four most important terms that are used in oil and gas industry. Process engineer checks these four parameters in wellhead test report before designing production facility. Those are GOR, water cut percent, oil API gravity, and gas specific gravity. Let us describe one by one. First one is GOR. GOR stands for gas oil ratio. GOR is amount of gas produced each barrel of oil. You can see on the screen the formula GOR is equal to gas production upon oil production. The measuring unit of GOR is standard cubic feet per standard barrel, SCF per STB. For example, a well is producing 4 mmSCFD gas and 1000 barrel per day oil. The GOR value according to this formula will be 4000 SCF per STB, standard cubic feet per standard barrel. Basically, this GOR value tells us the nature of reservoir. If the GOR value is higher, then the reservoir is gas. If the GOR value is lower, then it means the reservoir is oil. Moreover, the GOR decide the separator sizing or the facility that we are going to develop, its unit, compression unit, and its water handling. GOR directly impact the equipment sizing inside the production facility. Second is water cut. Water cut is the percentage of water produced in liquid. You can see the formula on screen. Water cut percent is equal to water divided by total fluid, oil plus water, into 100. For example, one well is producing 700 barrel oil and 300 barrel water. Its water cut will be 30%. If water cut is higher, then the well is mature. If water cut is lower, means well is new, early field. Higher water cut will cause big separator size, a large produce water treatment plant, and higher operating cost. Third one is oil API gravity. API gravity measures how oil is heavy or lighter as compared to water. You can see formula on screen. API degree is equal to 141.5 upon specific gravity minus 131.5. We can calculate API gravity of any crude through this formula. Oil is classified on basis of API gravity. If API gravity is greater than 31 degree, the crude is lighter. If API gravity is in between 22 to 31, then the crude oil is medium. If the crude oil is between 10 to 22, then crude oil is lighter. If API gravity is higher, then the crude will separate easily. It can flow in pipeline or equipment very fast. It will require less energy to separate or for other processes. But if the API gravity is lower, then higher viscosity, it will require more heat to for the other processes, and it will get higher retention time in separator to segregate. Fourth one is gas specific gravity. Gas specific gravity compare gas density with air density. You can see formula on screen. Specific gravity of gas is equal to density of gas upon density of air. Specific gravity of air is 1. Typical value for natural gas, we have specific gravity from 0.65 to 0.75. For lean gas, 0.55 to 0.65. For heavy gas, the value will be 0.8 to 1. Gas specific gravity affect separator sizing, compressor power, heater sizing, pipeline hydraulics. Because higher the specific gravity, easier to separate. If lower the specific gravity of gas, it will take more time, more distance, more equipment size to separate from each other. Understanding of these four parameters is very important for process engineer, because whole production facility equipment and scheme finalization is totally depend on fluid properties. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share to support the channel.